bananas, you say peppers. And I feel bad. I've kind of been bumping Kermit all day. And you guys, right now I am sipping on a refreshing can of Pepsi PEEPS. Let me know in the comments down below. Have you tried this yet? I just was taste testing it on my daily Snap story. So if you don't follow me there, you're truly missing out. I do satisfying unboxings, mini vlogs, random hauls, just little snapshots from my everyday life. Sippy sippy. You guys, this stuff is so delicious. So I don't even have to say it. You guys already know what the mission is. It is the Tamagotchi mission. And last time I said I thought it was on the back of the box, and it is! You guys, I also really would like to see this one. We've tested a lot of the shilling products in, you guys, and I keep wanting to make a video like this. The shilling satisfying, like, you know, the Neato balls, you probably know. If you're into stuff like this, you're probably also into stuff like that. Satisfying things, miniature things. How amazing would it be to get a tiny little like squishy Neato ball that you could actually take out of the packaging? Oh my God. And it was actually squishy. So here we go, you guys. Once again, tube of 4. I got another one from Target. Oh my gosh, thank goodness. Last time, you guys, I'm not even gonna pretend. I had a costume change. I was gonna act like it's a different day and I'm filming. No, they had 2 tubes at Target. Say that 5 times fast. And I just did the other toy mini brand unboxing. I don't know when these 2 videos are gonna post or how far apart they're gonna be, but you guys, normally I don't just film 2 mini brands videos in one day. But honestly, I'm as excited about these as I was about series 1 fashion mini brands. These are like so amazing. I feel like I like these more. What do I like these more than? I still don't know if I like them more than the food mini brands because those are amazing. You guys, I'm so thirsty. Here we go. I'm also curious, are we gonna get stacks of cash in every ball again this time? Once again, a stack of 10s. And what is this? Look at its face. Oh my God. Also, this can of Play-Doh looks like the Happy Meals. Do you guys remember the Happy Meals with those like weird smiles? I love them because they look totally bizarre. Look at this. What is this Play-Doh pony? It has the biggest, weirdest grin on its face. You guys, okay, I'm about to say something completely nonsensical. Do you ever look at an item and it has literally nothing to do with something else, but for some reason your brain just makes a jump? Like, okay, I look at this Play-Doh pony and I remembered the show Wife Swap all of a sudden. What about this Play-Doh pony just sparked that memory? I don't know. Was there a Play-Doh pony? I feel like I really like that reality show. I don't think they make it anymore, but that was like definitely one of my guilty pleasure shows to watch. Oh, we got another one of these. I honestly love these. I think that there's only one other shape we're missing. Last time we did get this heart and also an ice cream cone. Oh my gosh, I love it, you guys. These remind me of the micro fidgets. I think I just unboxed that just on the daily Snap story. I don't think I ever put any of those in a video, but those were super fun also. But yeah, I think we're missing a 3rd Poppet design, but you guys, we got our first rare metallic thing. So this is the Foodie Mini Brands metallic, and you guys, it's not just metallic, it's like hollow. There's little stars in it. I've never had one of these like mini brands supermarket sets, just because literally I don't know what I would do with something like that. I feel like that would be fun to set up, but then like, what do you do with it, you know? As if I should ever say that in my life. Look at this entire room. What do I do with an 8-foot-long Kermit? I don't know. For some reason, I just stopped at Mini Brands Supermarket. That was just too illogical for me. Power Rangers, which once again, you guys, this is always super fascinating to me about these different mini brand collectible things, because Power Rangers are also available in the world's smallest toy box. And there's also world's smallest Power Ranger figures. I think that the world's smallest, ironically, are actually a little bit larger than the world's smallest toy box, but oh my god, you guys, I'm so overjoyed. It's another one of those Zuru controllers. And look at that. Every single button feels like a real controller button. I've never been intrigued really by fidgets like this in the past that look like video game controllers or whatever, but it's something about that one being super tiny pressable buttons. Oh my god, you guys, those are amazing, and I'm glad we got that one. Okay, ball number 2, still not a Tamagotchi in sight. You guys, I'm starting to wonder if this is one of those things. I think I just talked about this in the last like Target versus Walmart mini brands video. Is the Tamagotchi secretly like a 2.5 wave option? Like, i.e., maybe they're not in the balls now? I know once again y'all were telling me about that for the cheese quest. Like, I guess the balls I had, there was like no chance of the cheese being in any of those. Had a whole store display. Couldn't even possibly get the cheese. So yeah, I don't know, maybe this will be something, if I don't get one now, that I'll wait and like let these kind of be on the market for a couple of months. Why do I keep dropping this back in the tube? If we don't get it now, what I'll probably do is wait a couple months and then go out and try and get some more and see if it looks like there's different options. Although we haven't really gotten that many repeats until I just said that. This is our third repeat overall. It is another mousetrap game. And then what is in here? Ooh, what is in here? This is fascinating. I've never seen this toy before in my life. And we got money again. I'm very happy about that. 5s. I don't think we got 5s in the toy balls last time, but I do think we have 5s already from the regular food mini brands. What is this? Angel High color change. This is so fascinating for a mini. It has like a 5 surprise type ball on the front. There's an adorable little angel figure, like a 3D figure in there. Then it has wings that kind of move around on the back of the ball. I'm literally gonna look this up now. Maybe we need to do an unboxing for one of those. I can't tell you guys how many times that's happened to me with the food mini brands. Ooh, I think we got a frozen moment. We did. Let me assemble it. Anywho's, I can't tell you guys the number of times that that's happened to me where I get a food in a mini brand and I've never had the food before and I feel like I've got to try it, got to go to the store. I feel like it's like Honey Bunches of Oats or something. And now I love that cereal. Okay, let me assemble him. All right, you guys, once again, didn't think I would like the frozen moments at all. But look at how adorable this is. You guys, I feel like years ago when Rainbow Corns first came out, I think we did an unboxing of like every single option like years ago. But these are so cute. I guess this was a later rendition of like Magic Kitty Corn Surprise or something. But this is too cute. So it's supposed to be like the exact moment you crack open the egg and like reveal which plushie you got. Yeah, so this is so cute. Rainbow Corn's Kitty Corn Surprise. So yeah, I'm gonna have to look at the chart again and see if there is a golden frozen moments tier. I don't remember seeing that on the chart, but I guess that's like the only more random or like rare thing you could get besides frozen moments. But we got another pet rescue ball, you guys. We got this one last time too, and we got it again. I would be more excited if I knew what that was. Oh my god, we got one of the ones I was so excited about. It's the Orbeez. And it does look like there's mini Orbeez inside. So it's not like completely like a bunch of loose Orbeez in there, because I was thinking like, dang, that would be like probably a big time choking hazard. I'm pretty sure that that's why, like, on the chart this time, there's like a big long warning about don't stick it in your mouth or try and eat it or anything like that. There's like a plastic cylinder in there that looks like there's Orbeez. But oh my God, you guys. I feel like maybe that's why I'm more excited about the toy ones this time, is because I know more of the toys. I feel like one of the past series, I wasn't that into it because it was like a bunch of like Nickelodeon shows and stuff that I'd never heard of, which once again, you guys, how cool would it be if they somehow did like retro toys? Oh my God, can you imagine a tiny little Nickelodeon brain ball? I feel like we could play bingo on my YouTube channels with like the stuff that for whatever reason I just think about all the time. One time a day I think about the Nickelodeon brain ball. I wish I could find mine. Where is it? I don't know. And ball number 3, we got, I don't know yet. We got, is it? No, it's another, gosh dang, more repeats, you guys. I did like this one though. It was pretty cute. Still don't 100% know what it is. I mean, I know what it is, but I don't know like what's special about it. It's like a karaoke type microphone thing. Oh no, another repeat, you guys. I still don't know what this animal is. I don't know why the first thing that just came in my mind was pangolin. Aren't those kind of like armadillos? Ew, it's the chart. Is there cash? Is there cash? Ooh, there is! And some kind of goose creature? You guys, what's going on at Play-Doh that I'm missing out on? We have more $10 bills, and this funky chicken. What is this called? The chickadee. I don't know. Oh my God! You guys, look at the back of the packaging. Okay, front of the chicken, pretty funny. I guess you like shove Play-Doh down the chicken's throat. You squeeze it down, it makes feathers. That kind of reminds me of one of my favorite toys as a child, which was Count Creepyhead. I love that. It was like Play-Doh and oh my God. You guys, we're getting like everything but the Tamagotchi, but oh my God, is this all my hopes and dreams? So this is supposed to be Shaggy Nito the Groovy Glob. It feels, oh, you can't see it. It feels like it's gonna be rubbery in there. I think we can just easily open the box. Oh my God, you guys, I feel like mini brands must be listening to feedback because I feel like that was a complaint I had about like the first, oh my God. A complaint I had about the first toy mini brands was I felt like they were in some ways less fun than the toy box, like the world's smallest, because those you could actually open them up and take out the tiny action figures or whatever. But I'm pretty sure the first rendition of toy mini brands, you couldn't, even if it was like a plain paper box, you'd have to like rip off tape or cut tape. Look at this, you guys! It is just what I was hoping and wishing it would be. It actually feels like spiky kind of in texture and it's squishy. I am amazed at the detail and quality of these. I feel like we got better ones in this tube than even last time, and that was pretty hard to beat. Okay, you guys, let's hope my battery doesn't die before I reveal this last section with a light bright. You guys, a light bright was something I always wanted as a kid and I never had. I never had a light bright and I never had a Skip It. And I feel like those were like the two toys that like, you know, I feel like this. You guys, I feel like I should just always know I can't beat a blinking battery. If it's blinking, it's dying. Sippy, sippy. All right. I don't remember what I was talking about. Oh yeah. I feel like that's always a fun discussion or kind of a funny discussion. Is funny the word I'm looking for? Anyway, I feel like it's kind of fun for some reason is the word I'm gonna choose to look back and think like, what was a toy you really like wanted when you were a kid but you never got for one reason or another? Maybe I'm just like having a, isn't that in the Santa Claus where they're like, why don't you believe in Santa? And he's like, I didn't get a weenie whistle. Ah, isn't that the Santa Claus? Am I making that up? All right, last ball. Still no Tamagotchi, but honestly, you guys, I have no complaints. These are amazing. I feel like mini brands do keep getting better and better. I kind of want to give fashion mini brands another shot. That's the only time that I feel like they kind of like went backwards in quality with those. Ooh, I think it's our missing denomination, you guys. I don't know if we've ever gotten $100 bills before, but here they are now. I feel like before I do another mini brands video, I need to like kind of group these together and see if now the only money that we're missing is the Bitcoins, the coins, you know? But I feel like obviously they probably make those rare. Ooh, it's a Sparkle Glitz. Azuru Sparkle Glitz styling princess. Look, it's a princess head in a box and you can comb her hair. I almost said and brush her teeth. Probably not. Are we gonna get a Tamagotchi? Exploding kittens? A card game. I've definitely seen this before. I almost feel like this is kind of like a YouTube thing. Something that I somehow saw on YouTube. Or maybe I was just thinking that because maybe once again I saw this. It was like a VAT-19 thing. And for some reason I just directly associate VAT-19 with YouTube. It's another repeat. Another spirograph. You guys. Like our last thing here. This is literally it. There's not a Tamagotchi in it. We ain't getting one. Nope. It's another pet rescue. Pet rescue ball. Well, you guys, still no complaints. Not sad about it because, oh my God, to get the Orbeez, amazing. For the Nido ball, you can actually touch it. Amazing. And this controller, oh my God, amazing. I feel like I can just keep saying amazing. Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna do. I was gonna, y'all, I got a spot of soda on my Wonderful Time Sunset Romance sticker book. So those are the highest form of rares, are the frozen moments. There aren't any golden frozen moments, but there are golden ones. Yes, and then we got metallic, which I love. The metallic this time, I think that is there cards against humanity? Like, I'm just shocked that actually, I'm not that shocked, you guys, because there was just an article that came out and I think they said 1/4 of all toys, this might just be in the States, I don't know, or maybe a fourth of toys worldwide, I don't know. 1/4 of toys now, though, I'm pretty sure was the statistic, are bought by adults, for adults. Not like adults buying it for kids, you know? So that makes sense then to have Cards Against Humanity. I guess that also makes sense, like how many kids, like kids know about like Bitcoin, you know? I'm trying to look and see if there's anything else like crazy in here we're missing out on. I just saw a bagel and I was like, what is that? It's Cards Against Humanity. Dang. It looks, there's books. Oh my God. You guys, I'm gonna have to get more of these. I kind of can't believe. There's also like a Hello Kitty bead kit. And it looks like the 2000s Cards Against Humanity expansion pack. Y'all, I'm kind of amazed. Okay, I have to get more of these. Y'all, leave me a comment down below. Let me know, should I buy more packs or individual balls now? Or should I give it like a month or so and then buy more of them and see if there's like more different mini brands? Let me know. I love these. These are amazing. Anyway, you guys, thank you all so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below. Subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is going to be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!